I deal the cards at game night every week. I am dealing with a difficult customer right now. I have just dealt with the last complaint. I have been dealing with this problem all morning. I dealt everyone a fresh hand yesterday. I was dealing the cards when the lights went out. I had dealt with the paperwork before the deadline. I had been dealing with the fallout for weeks before things calmed down. I will deal with your request tomorrow. I will be dealing blackjack at the casino all night. I will have dealt with every email by lunchtime. By June, I will have been dealing antiques at this market for 2 years.